A very good morning to all my dear students. So I hope all of you have finished with your unit test 2. Okay, second unit tests are over now. So we have to continue with our studies now. So we have already completed 9th chapter. Okay, and after that 10th chapter is practical geometry, which is skipped this time. So we are going to start the 11th chapter, which is perimeter and area. Okay, practical geometry हमने skip किया है because in that constructions and all those things are done, which is little difficult to teach online. So we'll see afterwards what to do, but for now the chapter is deleted from the portion. So perimeter and area we're going to start. Now you all have studied this topic perimeter and area under mensuration, if you remember in your 6th standard. Okay, in 10th chapter you have already done this thing, but now we are going to study it on a higher level. So first of all, let us just revise what is perimeter, what is area. So total length of the boundary of a closed figure is called its perimeter. कोई भी आपके पास एक closed figure है, if you are calculating its total boundary, okay, that boundary's length is called perimeter. So basically perimeter is the length, the distance. Then what do you mean by area? The total area, or you can say total surface enclosed within the boundary of any closed figure is called its area. Now you can see a figure. I have drawn a square over here. So black sketch से जो आप देख सकते हैं, that is the boundary. So it will give you its length, will give you perimeter. जो ये black color की पूरी boundary है, इस पूरी boundary की जो length है, it will give you the perimeter. And inside that boundary, I have shaded it with green color. So this green color से जो shaded portion है, this portion is its area. Okay, do you get it? So this is the inside area, inside surface is area, and outside the boundary is called its perimeter. Now you all know the two formulae, the 4 formulae, 2 for square and 2 for rectangle, which is perimeter and area. Now you know square के case में all the 4 sides are equal. Okay, all these 1, 2, 3 and 4, all these 4 sides are equal. So we are representing the side by A, and its perimeter will be 4 into side, which you can write it as 4A. Okay, because 4 times it is coming 1, 2, 3 and 4. So A plus A plus A plus A, total length आपकी A plus A plus A plus A आ जाएगी, which will be 4A. And area is given by the formula side into side, which you can write it as A square. Okay, so side into side will be the area of square. Then similarly you have rectangle, which is having 2 different dimensions. The longer side is called length and the shorter side is called breadth. Okay, the longer side जो आपकी L है, these two will be equal. Okay, and the breadth, this is length, this is length, this is breadth and this is breadth. So opposite sides are equal in case of rectangle, and in case of square all the 4 sides were equal. So for calculating perimeter, you know this is 2 times L and 2 times B. So 2 will come out common and your formula will be 2 into L plus B. So this will be the formula for area, perimeter of rectangle, which is twice length plus breadth. Okay, and for calculating area you have the formula L into B, length into breadth. It is similar to side into side. अब इसमें दोनों same थे, that's why it became side square, but here length is different, breadth is different, so the area will be given by L into B. Okay, so this is the revision of perimeter and area, and now we will solve the sums. Okay, so now exercise 11.1 we have started, in which the first question is, you have a rectangular plot, okay, a rectangular length whose length, a rectangular land plot whose length is 500 meter and breadth is 300 meter. So the first part you have to calculate its area, and second part you have to calculate the total cost of that rectangular land if 1 meter square is of 10,000 rupees. Okay, so first of all you will write L is 500, B is 300. First thing you will check whether the units are same or not. In this case it is same. So directly you can calculate the area by using the formula L into B. Okay, then 500 into 300, so it will be 1 5 and 4 zeros. Okay, so 1,50,000 meter square is the area of rectangular land. Now for calculating the cost, first you will write cost of 1 meter square land is 10,000 rupees. So total cost of land will be, you will just multiply the area with 10,000 and you will get the cost. So this much is the cost. Okay, 1 crore 500 lakhs. So this way you can calculate the cost of rectangular land also. Now second question is similar, which you have to do by your own. Now we are going to do third question. Third question mein what is given to you, that area is given to you 440 meter square. You have again a rectangular plot whose area is 440 meter square and its length is 22 meter. So you have to find its breadth first and then perimeter of that rectangular land. Perimeter निकालने के लिए obviously you need B. So let breadth or you can say width be B. Now use the formula area. Area is equal to length into breadth. Now in this case आपके पास area पता है, write the value 440. You know the length, write the value 22, and breadth you don't know. Okay, you don't know the value of the breadth of rectangular plot, so you will write it as B. Now if you want to find out the value of B, this 22 will go to this side, divided by 440 divided by 22. So 22 ones are 22 and 22 twos are 44 and 1 0. So breadth is 20 meters. Okay, so breadth of the rectangular plot is 20 meter. Now you know length is 22 meter and breadth is 20 meter. So you can now calculate the perimeter, and perimeter is 2 into L plus B. Okay, so just put the value 2 into 22 plus 20, which is 2 into 42. So the answer for perimeter will be 84 meters. So what is the perimeter? The perimeter of rectangular plot is 84 meters. Okay, so I'm not solving so many questions because this is after unit test, this is your first day. So just complete question number 1, 2 and 3. Okay, along with question number 4 of this exercise 11.1. So your homework is complete till question number 4. So that's all for today. Thank you.